Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making orange chicken. For this recipe, what you would need is chicken breast and this orange chicken sauce from Cup Foods and bell peppers. So what you want to do is cut the bell peppers into square pieces that is edible. And then you want to cook the chicken with some oil and sprinkle some salt over it. And you want to cut the chicken until it's kind of crispy. And then you just want to add the bell peppers to it and cook it for a little bit. Then the last step that you want to do is add the orange chicken sauce and let it stir and marinate for about 3 minutes. And then once everything is all marinated and fresh and clean and smells really good, then you just want to plate it with rice and throw some sesame seed over it, and that is it. And like always, thank you for coming back to watch my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys. Bye.